Hello there, welcome to this video tutorial today on how to create USB bootable disk for Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, how you can actually make your USB drive to become a bootable disk. Excuse me. Hmm. Firstly, you are going to need a pen drive which is up to 8 gig. The next thing we need to do is to download the application in which we are going to use to create this particular um, USB bootable disk. Um, you go to Google and search for Rufus download. That is RUFUX download. RUFUS download. Click on that. Then the very first one on the list, which is rufus.ie, click on it. Then bring you straight to this website where you are going to have access to download the Rufus. So download uh, Rufus 3.17. You can see that our download has started and it's completed. So now the first thing we need to do is to show it in folder so that we can all see it that we have our Rufus that we are going to use. Okay, here is it. Once you have it in your downloads, then the next thing you need to do is to run it as an administrator. So that's what we want to do, run as administrator. It's coming up. Now it's requesting that do you want to allow? Yes, you allow the app to run. Now that we have uh, our Rufus, the reason why you have a blank name here is because I've not connected my pen drive, which you're supposed to have done. And if you haven't, just connect your pen drive, it will automatically see it. You can see that that's the name of my pen drive. That's why it's bringing out that name. Any name you give to your pen drive is what it's going to show. Now, on this place, you click on disk or ISO image. That is the ISO file that you are going to use to create the bootable disk. If you don't know how to download your ISO file or you don't have an ISO file, watch our tutorial on how to download Windows 11 or any other Windows ISO file. We have a tutorial on that you can actually go and watch for you to be able to have your own ISO file. So once you click on select, that means we are trying to locate our ISO file. This is our own ISO file that has been downloaded already. This is Windows 11 ISO file. So you select the ISO file and you click on open. That is the disk image. Once you click on open, you can see that it has selected the ISO file and it's presently here. Windows Standard Installation. That's what we are talking about. Windows Standard Installation. So once you choose Windows Standard Installation, you move that is those that have TMP and secure boot. So that's what you choose. If it is system that doesn't have that, then you choose the next one, no TMP, no boot. So once you choose on that, then on partition schemes, we have GPT and MBR. GPT is actually meant for system that has UEFI as their own BIOS mode, while MBR is for system that doesn't have UEFI. How do you know if your system actually have UEFI or not? Come to your search button here and come and search for run. So once you type run, you click on the run app, then you type mx info 32, ms info 32. So once you type that, you can see the information of your system is here. So under the BIOS mode, you can see we have UEFI. If your system is UEFI, then you choose GPT. If it is not UEFI, you choose MBR. So for our own system, we are going to select GPT. So once you select GPT, what name do you want to name your volume label? The volume itself is Windows 11. We are trying to we are trying to create a bootable disk for. So let's name it Window 11. So once you name it Window 11, it's asking the NTFS automatically. So it's asking you for the bit. This is the default bit. It's better you leave it at default bit. Then the next thing you do is to click on Start. So it's asking us that all the data that is on the flash drive that we connected, that is your pen drive, is going to be deleted. So you click on OK. So we'll wait for it to finish what it's doing before we continue. Okay, you can see that we are almost through. Our disk image is almost ready. Now, our flash drive right now, our pen drive is now a bootable disk. All we need to do is just to close this. If we go to my computer to go and check our pen drive right now, you see that it is now a bootable disk. Let's go to my PC, and this is the pen drive that we just created. You can see the name we give it, which is Window 11. If we open the pen drive right now, you'll see what is inside. You can see the setup for Window 11. If we run this right now, you will see that it's going to pop out Window 11 setup option. We want to encourage us to kindly like, share, and subscribe to help us grow and also to get alert on our subsequent videos. We promise to always continue to give you the best, and we want to inform you that all the links to the downloads or even the Rufus software that it is to be that we want to that we used is going to be available for us in the description for this video. So you can go ahead and go and check the links for the downloads in this video. Thank you very much.